We got the TL16 drone, let's do it. This TL16 drone was awesome and easy to use out of the box. I did love unboxing this as well. And there's some information about the drone, back, front, and the sides. But let's go ahead and open this up. Unboxing this, like I said, was fun. The one thing I loved a lot about this TL16 drone was that it came with a nice carrying case out of the box. And everything was so nicely neat when you open it. And you even get a little handle to carry it. So this screams portability, which is very important. Look at the sound of that. Very durable, can help protect against any drops. And look at how everything is nicely laid out. You get a nice screwdriver. You get some extra propellers right there, which is very nice. You get your nice little charging cable, and you get 2 extra screws just in case if you need them or lose them. And here's the manual. I definitely did read this manual. Now here we got the controller. There's a lot of controls. You can trim, take pictures, videos, one-touch tricks, which was awesome. You can put your phone there too. They also have an app where you can control this drone, and your power button too, and your joystick. And this is what that screwdriver is for, to put your batteries in. Here is the drone battery. And here is the drone itself. Lays in the palm of my hand, which is nice. And it's easy to go ahead and get the full wingspan of this drone. That is the battery compartment. Now you just undo that and it'll snap into place. And that is the drone unfolded. Now here's your battery. We're going to go ahead and charge it. Go ahead and plug that in right there to the port, and it will turn red when it's charging. And it was a good time to go ahead and read those instructions. And it'll turn green once everything is charged. Now that's what the screwdriver that came with it was for. You can go ahead and unscrew the back of your controller and insert 3 AA batteries. The batteries are not included. Now you go ahead and insert your battery pack into your drone and turn it on. Now you got an under cam and you have a front facing cam, which you can adjust with the controller or the app. And now you got that 1 button take off, which is awesome. Now this thing was easy to control, and I love the hover mode as well, just to stay in place. And look at that. I love that this thing is very snappy and zippy in the air. So here are the flips. The flips was fun to use. I love these flip drones as well. Now I did use the camera. Here's the front cam that I took a pic of the sky, and then I used the under cam to take a pic of the sky as well. And I did take a video of the front cam on this drone as well. So here's some of the footage. But overall, this drone was fun and easy to use, and I definitely enjoyed it. Definitely would recommend.